YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Nard Strikes, and I'm back in the building after a long hiatus. Bruh, the boy be going through it, but I'm back in the building. So, without further ado, let's get started on this new video. Today we're gonna be unboxing my birthday kicks, and I got another set of kicks that I'm gonna be unboxing as well. This year it's gonna be me and my baby girl, so I went ahead and got us both a matching pair of kicks. So y'all stay tuned, stick with me. A few weeks ago I hopped on Gold App. I got me some kicks, I got my baby girl some kicks, I ordered her some outfits. So this video is gonna be me unboxing all our kicks and a couple other items that I got with it. Next video I'll show y'all everything else that we got. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, man. First things first, I got me some K-frames. As y'all can see, I love hats, man. So K-frames were definitely the way to go. I had to cop me some K-frames, bro. I had to. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, let's go ahead and start off with the first K-frame. I got the Atlanta Peach Tree. It's all peach. I got these from Culture Kings. They ran probably about like 40 bucks a piece. But I'm going ahead and show y'all the second one. So I got the all black, got the pink A on it, the pink underbrim. Depending on how I like the shoe and my outfit, that's gonna determine which hat I wear with it. I'm gonna try both of them on with the outfit and I'm gonna see how they look. But both of them gonna get worn at some point. Next up, we got my baby girl shoes. This is gonna be my first pair of actual Jordans that I bought for her that were dead stock. So this is gonna be a pretty good experience for me, man. Cardboard dust all over me. Jordan box so dope, man. Look at that. Open it up. We got a GOAT verification sticker. She gonna love these, man. I tell you. I just know she gonna love them. So I know what y'all finna say. Oh, you got her some mids. Yeah, I had to get her mids in the Crimson Tints because they didn't have high tops for toddlers in Crimson Tint or infant or preschool or anything like that. So when I went and looked, it looked like it was only men's and women's sizes and maybe grade school, but I didn't see any for little children, so I ended up getting her these. They're pretty dope, man. I'm actually a fan of like the black toe box on Jordan 1, so I really like these. I wish these would have came in a high because I really do like this colorway. But these aren't bad, man. They got leather on them. They got tumbled leather on the toe box. These are dope. I like them, man. I love the pink that's on the heel tab. They got the black wings right here. These are dope, man. I'm really a fan of these, and I really think that they're gonna look good on her feet. So I'm happy with the purchase, and I think that her outfit is gonna be super dope with these, man. So I can't wait to see it. Next up, we got my kicks that I got. Alright. So we got a classic Air Jordan 1 box with the Nike all over it. First glance, bro, I think this is a very, very nice shoe. It's very premium. You got tumbled leather all over the shoe. You got that same crimson tint that's on Harlie's shoes. The colors are a little bit off. This is a little bit darker on hers, but I mean, you put them up to each other, you can kind of tell the difference, but if we standing and I'm holding her in my arm, so you're not gonna be able to tell the difference. The biggest difference is her toe box is white and my toe box has that crimson tint on it. The side paneling, that's also white on hers, and it is black on these. Top around the collar also got like a little strip of white, and then my collar is black up there. So not too many big differences between the two other than this one being white. and this one being black. You got side paneling that's black on here. Around the collar is black. Everything is pretty much black or crimson tint on here other than the midsole. So not too big a difference, man, but I think that the outfits that we have, they're gonna look pretty good together. So like I said, in the next video, I'll show y'all that, but I'm gonna get back to reviewing these. So on the inside, you got that neon pink insole. Come with 2 pair of laces. You get crimson tint laces and they got like the forest green tips on them, and then you get a pair of green laces with these as well. Not sure where they got the green from, but I mean, I've seen some people with the green laces in them. They don't look too bad. You just gotta kind of set your outfit off the right way with it. So if I'm being honest, I've never been too big on Air Jordan 1s. I did get that pair of Lucky Greens last year for my birthday, and my first time wearing them was actually a couple weeks ago, and I just wore them out to a bar. But I mean, I liked how they looked on my feet, and I really wanted to get another pair of Air Jordan 1s for my birthday this year. But I didn't want to struggle with sneakers app. I didn't want to fight in a line. I didn't want to go somewhere and end up missing out on a raffle or something like that. So my best option for me to make sure that I got an Air Jordan 1 on my birthday, or to have it for my birthday, I should say, was to go on Go app and to buy them. And that guaranteed me to get my shoe and my daughter's shoe. So now we can match and we can be stunting on my birthday. So one of the biggest differences that I did want to point out, if you're not really into the sneaker game, if you're getting into it, you're new to it, if you're not really into Jordan 1s like that, then I think this information will be helpful to you. The biggest way that you can identify an OG high versus a mid is the Nike Air on the tab for the OG high, and mids are gonna have the Jumpman on them. Not too big a deal with me. I'm actually a fan of some Air Jordan mids. I don't know why they catch so much slack. They've actually got some pretty good colorways, and they're more available now. They're starting to sell out a little bit more, but they're definitely more available than OG highs. But with that being said, I did want to go with an OG high for my birthday just because I feel like it's more of a classic look. Nothing against Air Jordan mids at all. I just wanted to go for a high for my birthday. If they would have had a different colorway or some type of colorway that I really wanted in Air Jordan mid, I probably would have went for that. But these were available. They were at a good price. I was able to get my daughters for a good price. All in all, I don't even think I got $500 into both our outfits, her shoes, my hats, all of that stuff. I was able to keep it under $500. So I think that's a really good deal to be able to clothe and dress both of us to get a pair of Jordans. And I got 2 K-frames from Culture King, so it worked out in the end. Alright y'all, that's it for this video. I just wanted to give y'all a quick one, kind of bounce back into the YouTube a little bit. I know it's been a while, I'm sorry for the wait, but your boy is back. Make sure y'all hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and tune in to every video that I drop, man. Promise you I'm gonna have some bangers coming, man, so y'all stick with me. It's been Thrash Style Kicks, and I'm out.